Okay guys, we are going to check out some magic C letters. We have been doing capital letters, but now we are going to go ahead and start our lowercase letters. And we're going to start with our C, or our magic C. And you will see how different letters use this C and change into others. But first we're going to go ahead and get started with C, kind of like how we use it in cow. And it's very, very similar to the capital letter C that we were working with. It was one big curve. Now it's a little curve for lowercase. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and practice writing here. You can see there's no dots on this top, so if you need to add them, go ahead. There's just our little curve. If you'd like to trace our lowercase c before we get started, you can. It's just one little curve, okay? And then we're going to make our little c, our lowercase c, little curve, little curve. Okay, we're going to practice them down on the bottom now because you can see we have our dots down here to get started. So here is our capital C, and it's a big curve, and we are working on lowercase c's, so little c's, which you can see down here. Okay, so you see the difference? Capital letters are bigger and lowercase letters are smaller. Okay, but it's the same concept. A big curve, now we're going to do a little curve. So we're going to trace our little curve all the way around. And now we're going to use our starting point and we're going to make them our own. Little c, little curve, little curve, little curve. All right, now I want you to go ahead and finish this line with me. Trace them. All right, now we're going to write and check our letter C. Okay. There's no dot. If you need to add one to create your starting point, go ahead, or you can practice without. Write our little c, and that is our lowercase c.